and one of the parts for the track was cracked. A new or a used one was included when we bought it, but we're gonna try and replacing that one that is whole, and we're putting some luggage or straps here, and we're gonna try to tighten the surrounding parts enough that we can remove this broken one and replace it with a nicer looking one that's at least not cracked. So the way we're gonna do it is we're a little lucky. On one side you have these that are already connection links that are bolted. These we should be able to unbolt and bring apart, and the other side will be cut, and we have new replacement links that are bolted, one on each side. So, but all the pieces are quite heavy, so it will be a bit of a wrestling match. After some discussion, we decided to bring the ratchet strap first from back here over, and then bring it under, so the piece we want to remove will be held up, and still we don't have a lot of play here, and the one we've tightened it here is kind of angled down a little. We'll see how it goes. At least this one that will be replacing the other one is a tiny bit longer than the fixed link, so we will have a little bit of play there to make it work. We'll see. If not, there are special tools you can buy that are made to hook onto these and hold them on, and have a threaded rod, and you use a power tool to just tighten it. If you take them on and off a lot, you need that piece, but we will probably just try to replace this, and the tracks will probably stay on the machine at all times. And we will try loosening the one that's bolted and see if that one comes undone, and if the track just falls off. Or jag går inte här inne då. Det var en fast en att få slå. Ska vi prova den här ute för att se? Ja, då tar vi nästa och jag ska bara ta lilla spärrskaften och vara låsa. No, we mix Swedish and English a little. We're just talking about it being possible after losing it to use a smaller tool. Jag undrar som sagt om vi ska prova att ta vända där på undersidan så att han lyfter lite istället, eller ta i den här och korta sträckan vid tempo lite. Yeah, we're discussing trying to move the parts tensioning it a little and see if we can get a little more movement making it easier to remove these before we need to cut the other side. We realized we might have messed up a little and needed to readjust where we had the straps, and we also had some concerns how we were gonna cut it, and there has also been a super dry summer this summer in Sweden, and we're discussing the fire hazard some. Vet du alltså? Mitt i ett av här. Ja, protecting a cylinder here from the sparks with something that's highly flammable. The best jacket. The best jacket. So, both sides cut. So, let's see if the not broken one is possible to fit without too much of a fight. Kan du skicka ena hit vid sidan? Perfect. So we're adding some kind of thread lock to all the bolts to secure them in place extra good. finns de som är lite kortare om man ska spänna det lite hårdare någon gång. Man kan ju bli att ta bort en dubbel och sätta en sån här mellanlång enkel. Men... Oops. Seems the camera had twisted a little. Wonder if that was lost. It was just us tightening up the bolts. So not much was missed by looking into